Welcome to Viscom here at IPC APEX. I'm joined by Carsten Stolewski. Nice to see you again, Carsten.
Hey, Trevor, thanks for coming.
So, a few new products on the booth here this week. Can you maybe give us, our viewers, a run-through of what's new from Viscom?
Yeah, we have a wide spectrum of 3D AOI, SPI, and X-ray systems. So this year we have the S3088 Ultra Chrome as a new 3D AOI system, which is faster and like as the right price point for high volume production. Very excited about that. It has our proven and high quality 3D AOI imaging with 8 angular cameras, high resolution and everything, so very excited about that. And in addition to that, we have a new inline X-ray system, our 7056-2, a newer version of our 7056 inline AXI that we have for more than 10 years. So this one has a better speed, shorter handling time, so we can reduce, and that's usually in X-ray systems where you have to bring the board in, close the gates to close it from X-ray. You have handling times that go onto 10 or 15 seconds, and we can reduce that to 5 seconds.
How are you doing that?
It has, like the first version of the 7056, 2 compartments. So we can do a combo system with AOI in the front and AXI in the back. So while one board is in the front side, one is in the back side, we can easily swap them out and just have one gate in the middle that closes very fast.
So you're doing the two inspection functions in the one machine and reducing time. That's great.
But it's available as AXI only, which is the main application in this market. We have a lot in automotive, more and more fine pitch and BGA components go into the car. And that's the exciting thing about Internet of Things and everything. So car manufacturers have to finally use all the chipsets that you find in cell phones. So it's getting smaller, and that requires a lot of inspection. And AXI is a very important part of that.
Yeah, I mean, obviously with the amount of additional sensors and new things that are coming into cars, there's going to be a requirement for a lot more inspection and, as you say, miniaturization too. So that must be giving you a lot more challenges, but also a lot more opportunities.
Yes, with our customers. I mean, we are in that industry for 25, maybe even 30 years. Usually you had a lot of real estate on an automotive PCB, which is getting smaller and smaller, and as I said, smaller footprints. So how many cameras do you have in a modern high-end car with all that autonomous driving? The safety aspect of it is very important, and so is quality, and that fits perfectly to our offerings.
What other challenges are you getting out of the automotive system? Are they expecting greater resolutions, faster speeds, more duplication?
In inline X-ray, the image quality is very important, and then also to present the inspection results in a way that a human being can easily make the final decision. Is confirmed defects or false alarms? And so we worked a lot on the user interface to actually provide additional data for the operator to make the right decision. It's not only the AOI image or the X-ray image. You have SPI information, so how was the paste volume? If the paste volume was marginal, if there was a displacement, if there was too much paste, then the AOI or X-ray system has an additional indicator that it's more likely to form a bridge between two pads that had too much paste. And that's what we present to the system and also to the operator, and that helps reduce the human error a lot.
I mean, yeah, that's the thing, is trying to get all that data and turn it into actionable data quickly. Can you overlap your systems, like your AOI with your AXI or your SPI?
Yeah, that's another approach. We call that dynamic linking. Mm-hmm. So if the AOI, standard solder joint, visible one, you can test with AOI, with 3D, everything. If there's still a doubt that something's maybe beneath the component that you need to look at, we can dynamically link and do the X-ray inspection on that same component. So that's 100% safe, and that's very, very promising.
Excellent. Oh, well. So, continuing to develop new systems and obviously enjoying the benefits of the explosive growth that we're having in the industry right now.
Yes, market is good. It's very exciting. We're of course a little concerned about any NAFTA changes, which hopefully don't come. But everybody is, and but we're optimistic. And I think the greatest thing that I saw on the overall show here is the CFX demo. I'm really excited about it. We worked from the very first meeting, and now over 22 companies have implemented an open standard for data communication. And data is key. We use that in the very first systems in 1987. All the data was available, but nobody could use it because you have to put it on a floppy disk and don't know what to do with it. And now we are in an age where we can actually we can take complete image data of a board and of all boards in a production, put it in a database, and in the near future use artificial intelligence to tell us even more about what we don't know today. So it's an exciting...
Absolutely incredible, and it's just exciting. Now, obviously with CFX, I'm impressed with how quickly this standard has developed. And there's obviously a demonstration here at the show where customers can come on your booth and actually see on their cell phones a live version of it working. Have you had many people looking at that?
Yes. Yeah. No. I mean, the ask about CFX is it's a big topic, and I think the most exciting thing about it has never been done before in any manufacturing industry. We say, and that's a good step forward. Our customers will love it. Some of them looking at it and see the potential that gathering all the data from all the machines has. And we just had a discussion about how does the oven data benefit the post-reflow AOI. So if there's certain things happening on the board, you can actually say, oh, that's because the profile in the oven needs to be adjusted. And I mean, the theory is there for a long time, and I think now we come into a state where we can really make use of it, and this intelligence can be applied.
Exciting times. Carsten, thank you as always. It's always nice to catch up.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.